It's got the cold
What's
cars.
going on?
Hey, we are at the George Clayton Hall County Park in Grand Isle, Nebraska. And we saw these engines go by earlier, and this looks like it's a lot of the coal cars. There's a huge coal plant not too far from here. And this is the first train we've seen go through. The engines went through about 2-3 hours ago to pick up all this. And they're moving it all out. Yeah, these are all the coal cars that were sitting on the siding that we saw coming on Interstate 80 before we got here to Grand Isle. And this is our campsite, site number 17. We're on the end, so we have a totally private, what you see up here just behind these fence posts is the bike trail, regional bike trail. It's huge. So that's pretty neat. Yeah, it's all the coal cars coming from the coal factory. Oh, yeah. And all they did was just ring that bell. That was it. We've been here, this will be our second night tonight. This is the first train we've seen come through. No big bells and whistles, just a little bell to warn people on the bike trail. But if you're a train lover, this is the place to come. Not sure how frequently they
How far away do you think the train is? 40 foot?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's about 40 feet off our rear.
Boy, that's a big fifth wheel I ever saw.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a beautiful site. The pads are all cement, nice spacing between. It's a beautiful county park. The sites are electric only, which is a downfall, and $30 a night, which is certainly not cheap for electric only, but it's a beautiful setting. We went to the Stuhr Museum, which is 2 miles around. It's actually right across this field where we saw deer running it last night. It's just right across there, but to get to it, you have to kind of go up and around because their entrance is way up to the north on the property. Wow, that's a good length of train there they got. And they have 2 engines in the front. Oh, it goes through nice and slow, easy. Just fun to watch. I never thought that much about trains until I worked for a scenic railroad. Now they capture my interest. So, yeah, here we go. Well, okay. Thanks for joining us at the Pewter Palace, thepewterpalace.com. Please subscribe. Please like us. Like this video if you thought it was fun. Bye-bye.